In this video, I'm going to show you how to add extension repositories to the Cloudstream app, step by step. It's super easy, so just follow along. First, open the Cloudstream app. Tap on the settings icon, the cogwheel. Now look for the Extensions tab and tap on it. Next, tap on Repositories. Keep this screen open. Now, switch to your browser. Go to Google and search for Cloudstream extensions. Open the Cloudstream wiki link. Scroll down and you'll see a list of available extension repositories, such as Mega Repository and Avocado Repository. To add a repository, simply tap on the direct install link next to it. For example, tap the Avocado Repository install link. It will be added automatically. And that's it. You've successfully added extension repositories and installed extensions in Cloudstream. If this helped you out, please subscribe. It really helps me out as well. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.